Hi there, here's the newly launched Colorfit Pulse Buzz, and we have 3 units with us of different colors, the standard jet black, rose pink and champagne grey, which I think looks a lot like beige. Then it comes with Bluetooth calling, all the health monitoring sensors, SpO2 sensor, heart rate sensor, then we get a huge 1.69-inch display, 60 sports modes and 7 days battery life. All that priced at just $2,499. Wow, this seems like the cheapest Bluetooth calling smartwatch. What do you think so? Write down in the comments and let me know. Meanwhile, I'm very excited, so let's quickly unbox all of them and see how they look, how they perform, so you can decide if the Colorfit Pulse Buzz is worth your money or not. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Colorfit Pulse Buzz. We have 3 colors with us: champagne grey, jet black and rose pink. We'll have a closer look at the packaging. You can see the image of the watch right here. Towards the back you can see some of its key features: 1.69-inch TFT display, call functioning, heart rate, blood oxygen monitor, call and SMS quick reply, 60 sports modes, 7-day battery life, female health tracking, IP68 waterproof rating. Here's the QR code for the companion app. It's compatible with both iOS as well as Android. Towards the bottom you can see some of its manufacturing details and the MRP of $4,999. But don't worry, you can get this for a lot lesser. Let's open it up. We'll start with the black because everyone loves black. So right on the top is the registration warranty card. You have the noise stickers and you have the user manual in English. And finally here is the watch itself. Wow, it's got this nice flat design. Really nice. We'll have a closer look at it in just a moment. And finally we have the Pogo charging connector. Now this is magnetic, so as you bring it closer to the terminals, it aligns and attaches automatically. Now we're opening up the pink one. We have the same paperwork. You have the rose gold pink watch and the same charging cable. And goes without saying, we have the exact same contents in the last one as well. And there you go, here's the watch, the charging cable and some paperwork. Alright, let's have a closer look at it and we'll start with the rose pink. We'll get rid of the sticker on the top so we can have a better look at the watch. Wow, this looks really nice, square dial, and we have this nice rose gold finish with a flat design. Now this flat design reminds me of the caliber, looks really premium. On the other side you can see there's a single button with the noise logo in the center. You can also spot the noise branding here on the band. Nice soft silicone straps, noise logo here at the bottom as well. Comes with a buckle strap, and I really like that this buckle is color coordinated with the frame. The back is made of plastic. You can see all the sensors in the center, the heart rate sensor, the SpO2 sensor, charging terminals below, and if you look closely here, there's a speaker which is going to be helpful for phone calls. Similarly, there's also a microphone here which also is going to be helpful for phone calls. Now these are soft silicone straps that can be changed with any third-party bands. You can actually buy them from the Noise website itself. There are silicone straps, there are leather straps, there are nylon straps. There's so many other options. I'll link them below in the description. You should definitely check it out. It's really easy to attach and remove. Very nice. Now let's quickly have a look at the champagne grey. And you know, I always thought when I saw the box that it looked like beige, but this actually looks like grey. Really nice. Soft silicone straps. Wow, the sides look so nice. This is silver, matte silver finish, looks very nice. Buckle design, and I like that the buckle actually is black here because it looks a little more dynamic. Very nice. Silicone straps. Back is made of plastic, exactly same, very well built. Now though the frame here is also polycarbonate, but still it looks really nice. Also is very light. At the most loved, black. Wow. Truly looks like dark night. Very nice. So it has this nice grey flat finish. Looks actually better than black because that actually gives a very good look to it. Similar button on the side, nice straps. You can see the charging terminals, you can see the speaker. Very well built. Really nice. Make your pick. What's your favorite color? Write down in the comments and let me know. Meanwhile, let's quickly pair it. So you take your Android or iPhone, go to the Play Store or the App Store obviously, and you install NoiseFit Apex app. Once the app is downloaded, click open. Then here come to devices, select device, click I got it, allow using, take the watch, press the button on the side, There'll be a vibration alert with the noise branding. Click search again and you can see Pulse Buzz. Click. And there you go. You're ready to use right away. Super simple setup. The Colorfit Pulse Buzz comes in IP68 rating. So technically you should be able to wear it while you swim. But I won't recommend as any kind of water damage won't be covered under warranty. However, it's safe to wear while you shower, at the gym or even in the rain. Alright, let's have a closer look at the display. So first thing you want to do is to press this button on the side to wake the display. Man, this is a really gorgeous display. This is a 1.69 inch TFT LCD display. We don't have the resolution, but it feels that it's somewhere between 320 by 320 pixels. The interface is really smooth, as you can see. You can see the daily activity. Moving further, you have the heart rate, you have the stress levels, you have the breathe app, you have the music player, and back to home page. Swipe from up to access notifications, swipe from down to access quick toggles, power saving, vibration alerts, brightness. If you click on this, you can adjust the brightness of the watch. Then do not disturb. Phone calling can be enabled and disabled from here. If you go into settings, you have call settings. You can choose the ringtone. You can choose the incoming call. You want it to ring, only vibration, ring and vibration, or mute. Very helpful. I've seen a lot of people ask me about this feature. Ringtone volume. Then you can adjust the vibration levels, wrist awake, you can toggle raise the wrist to wake the display on and off, screen off time. I suggest you keep it between 5 to 10 seconds. I've kept it to 30 seconds because right now I'm demoing the watch, but 5 to 10 seconds is good enough. Do not disturb, device info, QR code, reboot, power off and reset. Now if you press and hold the display in the center, you can actually change some of the watch faces. Oh wow! This looks so nice. As you can see, it's a bright panel as well as the color reproduction and blacks are very good. Wow, really nice. There are a few more. There you go. If you like analog watch faces, this is the one for you. And this just goes perfectly with the champagne gray. Looks really nice. Now if you press this button on the side, you can access the Noise Health Suite where you have the activity, sleep tracking, SpO2, heart rate, and stress levels. Then there's Noise Buzz. This is for phone calling. We'll come back in just a second. Then you have your workouts here, sports records, clock. In clock you have alarm, stopwatch, world clock, timer. Then you have breathe app, reminders, flashlight, watch faces and settings. And now we'll check out the phone calling. So we'll go to Noise Buzz. Here you have recent calls, you have the dial pad. I'll just go to the dial pad and randomly dial a number. The audio you're hearing right now is actually from the watch speaker. See how clear it is. Here you have an option to mute it, switch the call to the phone or even control the volume. Or you can just end the call directly from here. Very handy. You can also actually save and sync contacts so you can make calls even quicker using this. And then when you receive incoming calls, you can actually see the caller's name with an option to control the volume, reject the call or answer the call. Now as I answer the call, I can actually talk using the watch itself. There'll be too much echo right now. You can mute it, send the call to the phone, or you can actually even control the volume from here and even end the call directly from here. There you go. Very handy feature. Now my phone call experience with this watch was actually pretty good. Indoors, it was loud and very clear. However, outdoors, it might be not the best experience. There's just too much of noise, ambient sound, mics and speakers might not be adequate. But still I'll say, for indoor use, you can use this for phone calls and it'll work pretty well. So the Colorfit Pulse Buzz comes with 60 workout modes. If you go into workouts, you'll see running sport, outdoor running, walking, treadmill. If you go back in cycling, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, BMX, there's indoor sports, you'll have aerobics, you'll have strength training, stretching, then there's snow sports, there's ball games, there's dance sports, combat sport and others. It's really nice to see that they have divided them into categories, making it a little easier to find what you're looking for. The only thing I see that's missing is water sports, so basically you still can't wear this in the pool, though this is IP68 certified. It's safe but still not recommended. Alright, let's check out the health monitoring features. So what we'll do is we'll go to the Noise Health Suite, we'll go to heart rate and we'll tap to measure. And there you go, it's about 67, 69 beats per minute. Let's check out the SpO2. Make sure you wear the watch tightly so that you can get accurate readings. And there you go, we get between 99 and 97%. Then there's also stress tracking, we'll tap that as well. And there you go, it's 35. Shows that I'm relaxed, really good. Now most of these health monitoring sensors provide accurate readings. However, I always say this, use this just for reference and not for medical purposes. Let's have a quick look at the NoiseFit Apex companion app. Right on the top, you can see the targets that are set, 8,000 steps, the distance I've done, the calories I've burned, the steps taken, steps remaining, heart rate, maximum, minimum, your sleep records, your blood oxygen level records. If you come into devices, you can see watch faces. Here you can see we have a pretty huge collection of watch faces. Yes, and some really good ones. Wow, really nice. Check that out. Let's just change Singh, and there you go. Check that out. Looks pretty nice. Similarly, there's also an option for custom watch face where you can choose an image from the phone gallery to keep as a watch face. Address book for phone calls. There's heart rate, your blood oxygen level settings, call notifications. You can turn on call alerts, app notifications. You can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Sedentary reminders, alarm clock, you can set the alarm from here, wrist awake, do not disturb. In settings, you have camera control, find watch, unit systems, screen on time can be changed from here as well, from 5 seconds to 30 seconds. Time format can be changed. If you like a 12-hour clock, you can change that as well. If you want 24 hours, you can change that from here. Very nice. You can factory reset and firmware update. So everything is good, but I couldn't find an option to share data with Strava or Google Fit. I think that is the only con of this app. Apart from that, it's pretty well, easy to use and self-sufficient. Noise claims 7 days of battery life on this watch with typical use. Always remember, battery life will vary depending on how you use the watch. Especially in this case because this watch comes with Bluetooth calling feature and that really drains the battery a lot faster. So to simply put it, you'll get 2 days max if you're going to use it frequently for phone calls and about 4 to 5 days with regular use. Now the Colorfit Pulse Buzz isn't perfect, but for 2,499, it's a steal. You get Bluetooth phone calling feature, you get a big display, you get good build quality, 60 sports modes, IP68 rating, 150 watch faces and the amazing new flat design. It's available in multiple colors and goes on sale tomorrow, 8th of June on Amazon and the Noise website. But remember that 2,499 is only an introductory price. Very soon this price will be 3,499. So grab it right away because it's a really good deal. I'll leave the links below in the description. This one is definitely worth checking out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.